come on and get my ELA notebook ready with me for my class so I can show it to my students. I'll show you the entire process of how I created the pages and why I think it's a great tool. Let's get started. So we want to make sure that you have a composition notebook. It needs to be 100 pages. You want to make sure that you have your covers, tape, taper cutter, as well as scissors. Now, I absolutely am in love with this paper cover. It's 4 different parts where you can have a squiggly line, a perforated line, an actual straight line, and then a little line that you can just tear. So it's actually a pretty good buy off Amazon. If you want the link, I will put the link down in the bio. So let's go ahead and continue with this. So the first thing we want to do is we want to go ahead and number our pages. You only want to number it on the front side. So 1 all the way up to 100. I'm doing really good with this numbering, by the way. I'm actually very proud of myself. All right, once we got the pages, next thing we want to do is we want to take all of the cover pages. We want to go ahead and cut them. You can either cut them with scissors or you can actually just cut them with the paper cutter, however you want to do it. It's your choice because life is a choice. Now, next thing we want to do is we want to go ahead and get our tape. I prefer tape over glue because glue will start to dry out. You want to make sure that you put the tape on all 4 sides. You're going to do that for every single page and make sure you throw away your trash. Now, first, after the cover page, we're going to go ahead and put the back page on the back, and then we're going to put the table of contents on page 2. Now, go ahead and write down the page numbers for each section so you know exactly where to tape down each section. So we got our ELA Quick first. And you're going to go all the way up to page 10 where you can put your grammar scoops. Tape that down. Next, you got your ELA Essentials, and that's going to be a lot. Followed by ELA Essentials, you got ELA Breakdown. You want to tape that down. Then Essay Creation, tape that down. Fast forward to the Essay Corrections. Then ELA Doodles. Now, I didn't really like the way the ELA Doodles was, so I cut it myself because I didn't like the way it originally cut. And then we got our pockets. And now let's talk about how to do our pockets. So to do a pocket, you want to take 2 pages. You want to take a piece of tape. You want to put the tape kind of down right below the big part where you put the page number. And then you want to put tape down the side, about 3 pieces. Also down the bottom, like so, like that. Now, it doesn't matter what side of the page you put it on, but you want to make sure that you do it really nice and neat. So now, once that you got the pages done, you're going to take your finger at the top of that number, and then you're going to rip it down. So I'm going to show you again in a different vantage point. So take the 2 pages, go down to the big tab, tape down the side, tape across the bottom. You want to make sure that you also get the little edge. Take the paper at the top of where the page number is. Oh, there goes Deuce right there. And then you're going to rip it, rip it, rip it, rip it, rip it. Ooh. And then zoom. And then bam, that is a perfectly created ELA notebook. All right, that's all I got. Have a great day.